So we're doing a DTS cadillac limousine, doing the rack and pinion. Actually remove the cross member, the one them at the box. We just loosen the front one. Also remove the back one. Let the steering coupling off. And we're looking to remove the roses. Now 17. So just 17, 18. 18. I don't like 18. 18. Like tool pan. Eh? Like tool pan. So got one bolt right here. Already loosened. Another one right there. So we're just gonna pull the 18 lines. Those two lines right there. And then we can slide it right out from the driver's side. We did change this rack and pin last week. It's a rebuild. You can buy it from the auto store, advanced auto parts. No, yeah. This guy's leaking right from the shop. Right there. So after purchase another rebuild, hopefully it doesn't leak. Bolt out the pipes, both pipes. Disconnect the switch now. And the switch disconnect. All the bolts out. Take out the back one. Man, lift if you lift now, man. We changed it last week. I started to leak from there. I know you are moving so slow that. Now we got the new one. I will say brand new. This one red. Well, it's sharp. Get the now put it in there. I'm gonna slide this one right in now. Alright, go. It's probably an hour job or an hour and a half job. Depends on who doing it.
Like half an hour for me.
Yeah, you could call it an hour job. Like half an hour take it out, half an hour put it in back.
15 minutes.